Thanks to automation of many lower-level routine tasks, much is now expected from Gen Zs from day one in the office. So use employee strengths to help customize Generation Z's roles. It will help them integrate and perform well, quickly, and progress successfully. Focus on tasks they can excel at. They can also be reassured that they will be able to do good work. This individualized job crafting approach also encourages proactive involvement in definition of their role and how that might evolve. Generation Z are concerned about automation, job security, advancement, their performance and competitive standing, financial stability, and ultimate what their futures hold in an unpredictable business climate. Much is centered around careers, so I recommend you define career possibilities early on for new Gen Z hires, including job movement. Clarity gives them comfort about the company's interest in their ongoing employment and professional development. Involving them in the discussion engages them through increased ownership of their career path. Exploring different roles also helps keep Gen Zs engaged by allowing them to discover what really interests them, understand more about the business, and build new skills. Identifying areas for near-term automation can be important so they can understand the prospects for the current job and which directions they might advance, and overall ensure you help them with that. Identify current skills and map anticipated future skills regularly. It is important that they are involved in tracking their ongoing upskilling progress and career advancement, supported by their manager and HR. You have to update your skills around every 5 years now. It used to be every 10 years, and Generation Z are very aware of this. Ensure you list training opportunities and availability, made easily accessible and digestible using online and mobile applications, so they have no difficulty finding the education content they need. Then they can add to their skills to stay competitive for your company and advance, and be prepared for the future. They are starting their first jobs at higher levels and having to do more than early generations. So executives and managers should recognize and adapt reasonably to Generation Z expectations. Gen Zs feel great pressure to succeed and advance fast. 75% expect to be promoted within a year, 32% in less than 6 months. Managing expectations about appropriate promotions, including supporting competitive salaries, is another essential aspect of engaging and retaining Gen Z members of your workforce. Encourage Gen Zs to focus on their unique trajectory, not comparing themselves with others. Develop their potential together, and they will stay engaged and make great progress.